Hi guys, welcome to Excited for Coupons. My name is Jasmine and today we're going to be going over insert. Thanks to how to shop for free, I was able to get the pictures so that way we're able to see inside. This video is going to be a lot shorter because the P&G books are normally very similar, but this book does have extra coupons there, some that are rare. So we're going to go inside. And this is for P&G for the January book, but this one is expected to come out on December 29th. Remember that December 22nd, we're not expecting any inserts, but December 29th, we're expecting probably P&G and maybe a Smart Source or Retail Me Not. I'm not sure yet, but in the meantime, we should be able to go through the January P&G. Before we get started, I love to have the Sunday insert schedule. I have the 2019 and I already have the 2020 already in my website. The link is going to be provided below, so if you want to print it, you could just go ahead, select the link and print it, and then you could have it in your binder or where you have all your coupons available. So as you see, I'm loving January. This way you will see that's January 5th. These are the dates that we're expected, all the Sundays and insert. And it letting you know that Retail Me Not, we're expecting 2 and 3 for Smart Source and nothing for P&G. And a total, we're expecting 5. So this is how I did it. And then the next month is February right next to it. And then this day, there's no insert expected for that Sunday. So that way you're able to see that it's pretty easy to read. And I hope you guys enjoy it. So let's get started with the P&G insert. The first page we have is all diapers and wipes. I love it because you have been seeing that CVS has been showing some deals mix and match with diapers and wipes, so this would be perfect if we see that deal starting maybe on the 29th or in January. Also be on the lookout because their coupons do range on the day that expires. This expires on November 11th of 2020. The following page is big products, and they also expire January 11th. This one I'm interested, will I get this coupon? A lot of the times I'm not getting tight coupons in my region, and that's sad because it's hard for me to get them printables. But the good thing is that CVS sometimes have those coupons in their app. But if you're lucky and you have the tide in your region, then these are the coupons that are expected. Coupon, they expire on January 25th, so these are good to have if you get them in your region. So let's continue with the next page. We have sequel and Tampax. This is the same price with the same value coupon that we've been seeing lately, 3 off 2, and they all expire January 25th. So glad that that will remain the same. I want to ask you guys because I noticed that couponing has changed a lot. So here we have a line, and these expire January 11. I have stopped buying inserts because they were so expensive to purchase. Then I noticed that the Dollar Tree in my area is selling it for $1, while every other newspaper in CVS, Publix, different places, they're selling the newspapers for $3. So that's a lot if you're buying a few inserts. So I started going back to Dollar Tree, and just for $1 I'm able to get all the books in there. I have stopped getting it in Florida because a little bit after I started couponing, they stopped including the Retail Me Not. By that time was Red Plum, and they have stopped including it in our region, so that's why I had to order them. But now I just get them at the Dollar Tree and everything is in there including. So I still feel like that's a pretty good deal, just paying $1. We normally get 4, sometimes we get 6 coupons. Before I used to get a lot more, but now I'm trying to scale that down because I keep that in my budget, how much I also spend on my inserts. I just wanted to know to see what you guys are doing or getting it, or if you still, or because I've noticed that other people are just doing printables or just digital. So here we have Gillette disposable, and one Venus is a good price, a good value, and they expire January 25th. I love this page right here. I love that we're gonna have a buy one get one. This is for the plug scented oil refill, and get one free plug scented oil refill, and the value is up to $5. I love this, but this one expires on the 11th of January. And I also like this one. This is for buy one free breeze one product and get one free breeze one product free up to $5. And these are the ones that they say one on the front, so pretty good coupons. I hope we all get those. This one, I was looking at it and it does say that the product is Ultra Dishwashing Liquid Product or Dawn Platinum Foam 10.1 ounce. And then we have Cascade, and all these expire on the 11th. Then we continue. This is interesting. These are rare to see. We have Studio from Tide. Hopefully we get these. There's a few here depending on the size or ounces. And then these are you're gonna deduct 2 off 2 of 9 Elements laundry detergent, or 9 Elements laundry rinse, or 9 Elements all-purpose cleaner, or 9 Elements dish soap. So it's interesting to see these coupons here. Hopefully we all get those as well, and these expire on the 25th. So then we continue. I'm excited to see more Olay coupons. Sometimes I've been seeing good deals for Olay. Sometimes we get some good CRTs from CVS, but then we don't have a manufacturer coupon, so that makes it a little bit harder. I like that these are, like this one has a serum or eye product. This one has skincare product, and this is for the facial moisturizer, and most of them or all of these expire on the 25th. But I want to show you something more that's going to be closed up. This is something that I do take advantage of at least once a year, because it is a limit of 1 per household, or the address that you do provide. And this one does say that it's going to deduct Olay skincare, get 30. So you need to spend 100. So if you spend 100, you will get a prepaid card of $30. The good thing is that this applies between January 31st. I believe this is January 31st. The other part is cut off. And it says between a date and then January 31st. And then you need to submit the receipt by March 6th. So I'm probably is January 1st. So probably you have a month to spend $100 to get $30 in prepaid. And like I mentioned, this is something that I like to do. We just had one for 2019. I was able to take advantage of that. And also Saving Star, the app that gives you cash back, also had a rebate similar to this, which I also took advantage of that. So I love that they're having something similar for the next year, but you do need to purchase 100 to get that 30. So now we're going to continue with the P&G Insert that is from December 29th, but it's for the month of January, and there's more bigs. This one looks almost like the ones from the beginning of the book, and these expire on the 25th, but these here expire on the 11th. So then we continue. I love that they have other products there. This one is rare. Let me see if I could go back. Okay, this is Allspice Invisible Spray or Body Spray, and then they have the deodorant or body wash or bar soap. And then they have here the hair products. So I love that because sometimes we see deals also in Walgreens for Allspice. Then we have Always 2 off 1 Always Discreet. And then we have Prilosec on the bottom of that page from that insert. This is okay because we've been seeing some high value coupons. I don't know if you noticed, we have been doing so many great deals, so many great hauls with using Head and Shoulders and Herbal Essence coupons. They have been for $5. They were digital. I love that I didn't even have to use a P&G coupons. They were all digital in the CVS app, and they were 5 off 2, but these are 2 off 2, so these are a little bit harder. At least the value is a lot less. Then we have Swiffer. This is an interesting color or packaging here. And the Swiffer is $1 off 1 Swiffer product. This one expires on the 11th. We have more Olay. I love that, the Olay body wash, because sometimes we see this on special. And then we have the deodorant Secret, also has been on special, but not that many coupons have been available. I love this here, buy one get one free. Buy one Secret Invisible Spray and get one Invisible Spray free, and the value is up to $5.99, and this coupon expires on the 11th. So hopefully we find a good deal with that and pair it with the CRT maybe. Pantene, I believe this is 5 off 3, and this is 1 off 1. Herbal Essence, this one is 3 off 2, and you notice that the Head and Shoulders was 2 off 2. So this is interesting. It's still a little bit less, but at least we're getting a coupon for that. I'm loving this part here. For years the coupon was 25 cents, sometimes 50 cents. It's still going on for $1 for Charmin and Bounty, and we've been seeing digitals for those as well. Then this one, the napkins are 25 cents. So I feel like there's a lot of the year starting pretty strong with the P&G. That is if we all get this P&G type of insert. Then we have the Crest section. We have Crest, the toothpaste, and the mouthwash and toothbrush. And then we continue on the following page, 3 off 1 Downy liquid fabric conditioner. So there's more oh, look at this. This is so cute. I remember getting this for my kids when they were babies, but I did not use any coupons because I was not couponing during that time. So this would be a really good deal to get with that coupon. And guys, this is the whole insert. I said it was going to be short, but as you can see, there's a lot of pages. I hope that you was able to go through it and be excited. I'm excited for the new year, and I'm excited that or at least we're going to get this pretty early, at least the last days of December. We should be getting that insert. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a wonderful getting ready for the holidays. And thank you for watching this video and spending some of that time with me. And until the next video. Bye.